Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So guys, before getting into that, I want to tell you, so you already know that, so we have prepared nearly 120 to 150 practice MCQs guys. Actually this is not 150, it is 166 practice MCQs guys. 166 practice MCQs especially for cloud computing. So you can get that for just 89 rupees only. So as a student offer, because many people can't afford that and many people are students, so for them we have given for just 89 rupees only, and it is completely based on NPTEL syllabus and no outside nonsense is involved. So join fast guys, already many people have joined. So this is one scenario. The another thing is another pack. This is 500 rupee pack guys. Don't get shocked by seeing the price. This is very less price guys. I will show how is that possible, because it is a classmates pack. So I have already mentioned classmates pack. The first one is for individual pack. So if it is your semester subject, then it is better to take 500 pack guys, because you are getting here PDF, not just video. You are getting PDF. It is easy to share for anyone, right? You can do that. But in video 89 pack, you cannot share the video or you cannot download the video to your mobile. It is restricted mode. So only you can watch the video and only you can study. But it is the individual pack is 89, but I will show how 500 is less than 89. Because suppose maybe 50 members are doing this cloud computing course. Even though don't consider 50, at least 10 I am considering at least 10 members. So if you divide this 500 by 10, just 50 rupees, right? So this 50 rupees is less than 89, right? Do you agree guys? So likewise you will get less for less price. Even though it is 500, it is a collective money, right? Not only your individual. So, or if you are only single person and if you want the PDF version anyway, you can ask me in the comment section guys. So video is not shareable, but PDF is shareable, and price will be reduced on each person if you buy in group. And the main thing is, it is easy to search questions, but in video version you cannot search question. And it is easy to revise before exam, because you can easily scroll the PDF within 1 hour, right? All the questions you can cover. But in video it will take nearly 3 hours, so you will not get enough time to do that. So take this PDF pack guys. If you want the PDF pack, message me in the comment section, or you can mail me to the email ID I have given in the description box. Anything you can do that. But if you want 89 pack, no need to message me. Just go to the our channel page. So it will be like this, Kumar Edu. You can search that, or I have given the link in the description also. You can click that. So click on join button guys. So you can choose either 119 pack or 89. The benefit of 119 pack is you can get live videos. If I upload any live video, you can get that with 119 pack. And the speciality is other features also, other pack features also you will get within 119 only. So it's better to take 119 pack. I recommend that. Or if you want only recorded version, just click on 89 per month pack and click on join and make payment. That's it. You will become member of our channel, and you can get access to not only one video guys, you can get access to all the subjects. So I have uploaded cloud computing part 1 and part 2 videos. You can enjoy that. So that's it guys. Now let's see the solutions. Here you can see that I have uploaded part 2 also recently. So part 2 video of cloud computing. Already many people have joined both 500 packs and 89 pack guys. But many people said asked about PDF version, because they want to study and search questions easily and want to revise fast before exam, and they want to reduce the price by sharing with their classmates, and they want to share the PDF with their classmates. So they have taken 500. So I recommend, if it is your semester subject, then take 500 pack guys. So if you want this 500 pack, message me in the comment section, or I have provided the email ID in the description. You can mail it to me directly. So there I will give my UPI number, you can pay that. So now let's see the solutions. So this is week 11 assignment of cloud computing course guys. Now let's see the first question. I hope every solution is 100% correct, but if you want to suggest me any solution, you can do that in the comment section, and if I get any update also, I will do that in the comment section only. So before the final submission, once again check the comment section guys if there are any updates available. So first question, dash are an important distribution mechanism for libraries and custom runtimes in the AWS serverless ecosystem. So for first question, the correct answer is option B, lambda layers. So mark option B. Now let's move on to the second question. Dash is a fully managed proprietary NoSQL database service that supports key value and document data structures. So for second question, the probable answer is option A guys, Amazon DynamoDB. So mark option A. Third question now. Which components of CDCs contribute to consumption of huge amount of energy? So for third question, the correct answer, there are actually all these are correct only guys. Network, storage, memory and cooling system. So mark A, B, C and D. Next one. Fourth question. Serverless covers a wide range of technologies that can be grouped into two categories. So what are the two categories guys? So that is option B, FAAS and BAAS. So mark option B. Now let's move on to the fifth question. Runtimes allows you to annotate your function code with custom logging statements, which helps you to analyze the execution flow and performance of your AWS Lambda functions. So for fifth question, the correct answer is option B, false guys, false. So mark option B. Next one. Sixth question. Which of the following is not which of the following is not a category of a research initiative on sustainable cloud computing? So for sixth question, the correct answer is option C, environment sandboxing. It is not the part. So mark option C. Now let's move on to the seventh question guys. So seventh one, VMs can be migrated to a remote CDC to balance the load effectively as per sustainable cloud computing model. So it is absolutely true guys. So mark option A. Now let's move on to the eighth one. The focus of cloud computing was dash and the serverless is dash. So for eighth question, the correct answer is option B. The focus of cloud computing was system administrators and the serverless is programmers. So mark option B guys. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the ninth question. So ninth one. So before getting into this ninth question, I want to once again make you remind that so you can get PDF version for just 500 guys. So you know why I am saying just 500, because you can share that with your classmates. So the price will be reduced even for less than 10 rupees also if you are more members, right? So but video is not shareable, but this PDF is you can share to anyone, right? And you can collect money if you first take the investment, and you can later collect money from your friends, right? And it is easy to search questions and revise before exam with this PDF version. But in the video of 89 rupees, you cannot do that guys. It is just videos, you can watch that. You cannot share and you cannot download to your internal storage. So think smart guys. I think most of you are doing the engineering courses. So think smart, think like an engineer. So you can get more features and with less price you can get this. So if you want this, message me in the comment section, or I have provided my mail in the description box. You can also mail to me. So that's it. Now let's see the remaining solutions. So ninth one. So guys, from week 1 onwards I am giving that with more than 4 years experience we are giving the solutions guys, and also the MCQs. So you can get very good knowledge for the best practice before the final exam. So ninth question. In Google Cloud Functions, the code executes in a fully managed environment. So for ninth question, the answer is absolutely true. So option A. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th question. Which of the following is or are the goal of sustainable cloud computing? So for 10th question, there are actually two solutions guys. The first one is option A, minimizing the energy consumption, and the other one is option B, increasing reliability of CDCs. So mark option A and B. So friends, these are the solutions for week 11 assignment of cloud computing. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this with your friends guys. Make every one of your friends and classmates join in this 89 pack, or you can directly, if you want to save money, you can directly buy this 500 pack guys. So that's it for this video. So please share this news within your college WhatsApp groups guys, and also in social media if possible. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can please ask me in the comment section regarding valid queries about memberships. So that's it guys for this video. Keep supporting me like this forever. So until the next video, it's goodbye. Thank you.